Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the bubble gun. We're going to be doing the battery installation as well as the bubble liquid installation as well. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So this is the bubble gun. As you can see, that's where the batteries go in. That's your battery chamber. I would advise using a good battery on this bubble gun, guys. It works far more efficiently with a stronger battery in a good quality battery, and especially when the batteries are new. When the batteries get old, it tends to not work very well. So to get maximum output from this bubble gun, make sure that your batteries are new and of good quality. So now we've got the batteries in. I've used Duracell batteries. We're going to be doing the liquid installation. Now this is bubble liquid. I don't recommend using other liquids as you wouldn't get the same effect as bubble liquid. So you just pour your liquid into that chamber, the bubble liquid chamber, and you screw it on and you're good to go. So a light comes on when the trigger is engaged as well. So as your bubbles are coming out, as you can see, there's a light in there, a blue light. I think this is a fantastic gift for the kids, and it is definitely fun. As you guys can see there, that is quite a nice load of bubbles. It looks nice, it has a good weight to it as well. Very easy and simple to use. Hope you guys enjoyed that.